Hi, I'm Dr. Radhika. So what are derma rollers? Let's try to know what is a derma roller basically. So these derma rollers are nothing but instruments which has like a drum like thing and then a handle where these drum will have multiple tiny needles on them, say around 192 needles. So when we try to pass the derma roller onto your skin, it causes multiple holes on your skin, and these multiple holes, when it's trying to heal by itself, there's new skin formation, neocollagenesis, there's increased blood circulation for your skin. This is the basic principle of microneedling, where derma roller is one of the instrument used. So other instruments where microneedling can be done is a fractional CO2 laser can be used for a microneedling purpose, or sometimes even the microneedling radiofrequency can be done. So can derma roller be used on your hair? Definitely yes, it can be used. But what is the depth of derma roller that has to be used? It has to be 1.5 mm so that it reaches your skin and then goes down up to the level of the hair root. That's when a stimulation of the hair root stem cells can be done. If you're using at home and you're using a 0.5 mm derma roller, then it is of no use. So kindly do not use a derma roller at home. So the derma rollers that has to be used is 1.5 mm because it is very deep, and that's how it stimulates the hair stem cells. And when you're trying to do this at home, it is very painful and it causes multiple bleeding points. When you do not do it at aseptic precautions, it can lead into secondary infections and it can cause major effects to your skin as well as for the hair, and it can also cause hair loss secondary to these secondary infections. So what are the benefits of derma roller? So the benefits is it stimulates the newer hair stem cells. So you get a new hair cells, new hair follicles, and it also helps in conversion of the thinner to thicker hair follicles with the help of increasing the blood circulation. Sometimes even dermatologists in the clinic per se, we use a derma roller and then we apply the specific serums or the solutions which stimulates the stem cells. So these derma rollers can be a channels for all our medications to get inside the hair and hair stem cells and promote the new hair follicles.